So I was trying to detangle my hair. I washed my hair in this twist, this smaller twist, some days ago. I think about a day ago, and I didn't exactly detangle my hair before doing that. I want to do my deep conditioning now, but guys, my hair has been dried for a very long time, and when I tried detangling this morning, the amount of shed hairs I was getting, I just had to say stop. I had to stop because I can't continue. So I had to get water. I had to get water in my spray bottle with some conditioner in it. As you can see, I'll spray to a section before I go ahead to detangle. And for these two that I've done, this is the only shed hair that has come out. So I think that makes a whole lot of sense. So when they say don't detangle your hair dry, please don't detangle your hair dry at all for no reason. You lose so much hair and you cannot even deal with it. So I'm done detangling my hair now, and this is all the shed hairs that I got. As you can see, they are all long strands. Please, if the hair that comes out of your head after detangling is short, that's not shed hair. It is breakage. So you need to tame the breakage before the breakage tames your hair growth. Else, your hair will be growing, but you're not retaining length. Shed hairs, I for me, I think they are okay to come out. They are just weak hairs that need to go. So let them go. Don't hold on to them. If you can stop it, stop it. Anyways, if my shed hairs were more than this, I would do something to definitely stop it. But it's not so much, so we're good. Like, we are good. We're very, very, very good. So I'm going to apply my deep conditioner to my hair before I use a comb to detangle my hair, because all I've done now is finger detangling, and my hair is pretty much detangled at this point in time. So that's my hair, guys, all detangled and looking, all finger detangled and looking good. Growing a long hair is not hard though. It's really not hard. It's just you trying to retain length. That's how you can actually grow a long hair. I started growing my natural hair in 2000, or I transited to natural from relaxed hair. I transited my hair to natural in 2020, and this is 2024. So 4 years growth. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, I would say. And then I started my YouTube channel where I talk about natural hair in 2021. Yeah, so this hair is not that bad. I transited in July 2020. That was when I transited to natural. So somehow, my hair have not even reached 4 years like that. I'm joking. Yes, my hair have not really reached 4 years like that. Have you reached? But anyways, I'm happy with the growth that I have. I feel like my hair should have grown a lot more longer than this if I took this hair growth thing seriously sooner. But anyway, it's never too late to do the right thing, right? So let's do the right thing now. So I'm just going to apply my deep conditioner to my hair, leave it in for some minutes before I detangle, and I wash my hair. I need to make my hair because I don't really have time, that's the truth. So today that I manage, I have time. Let me use that time well. Some time ago, I bought apple cider. I got apple cider vinegar, and I said I was going to use it for an apple cider vinegar rinse, which I haven't exactly done for a while now because I've had an hairstyle on. I think I should have done this before I washed my hair. I don't know. But anyways, let's do it. So let's do apple cider vinegar rinse for my hair. I've actually shampooed my hair already, and I think this is like the best time to do it. You can actually choose to do it either ways. Either you do it before shampooing your hair, or you do it after shampooing your hair, like I'm going to be doing in this video. Alright, so whichever one you decide to do is absolutely fine. So first off, I'm going to break the seal. I'm going to use this to fill it up till a little below the watermark. So this is the watermark on the bottle, as you can see. I think so. I'm just going to fill it up to a little below that point. Okay, so I think this is good. Is this how it used to look? I mean, it's just this one that I bought. So anyways, this is what it looks like now. I'm going to shake it up together. I feel like I should pour this through my hair, but at the same time, I can't do that while I'm sitting here, right? So let's use the spray bottle then. So I'm first of all going to spray this on my scalp. Why is it lathering? Is it because I already have conditioner on my hair? I don't know. I had to detangle my hair first. So I'm just going to do well to put some of the benefits of using apple cider vinegar rinses for your hair on the screen. And then I'm going to walk this through the length of my hair as well. So now this one is done. Still haven't detangled. I think this is going to be the only thing I'm going to do to my hair before braiding, actually, because I don't know. I can't skip deep conditioning, can I? So I'm definitely going to deep condition my hair as well. This through the length of my hair as well. My curls. Oh, so I think this is like very, very clarifying, right? Because it's been a while since I saw these curls last, and look at them, they're all out. So I'm going to go ahead to do the rest of my head off camera, and I'll be back. So yeah, I'm done now applying it to every section of my hair, and this is what I have left. Definitely, I'm not going to pour it away. I'm going to pour it on my head when I'm in the shower. I'm going to pour it on my hair because, I mean, I cannot let this waste this amount of goodness. So first thing that I noticed with my hair is that my hair became really, really soft. Like, it could actually pass for me using a deep conditioner on my hair, but no, I'm not going to let it pass for that. I'm going to ensure that I use a deep conditioner. Maybe not today, it could be tomorrow before I start braiding my hair. I don't really know, but I'm going to ensure that I use a deep conditioner. So I'm just going to go rinse this off from my hair, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.